In the following tutorial, we're going to use the color range as a selector. So let's open up the plain color range and let's create our new layers. We'll create a new layer and we'll give it a color so it's obvious that we've got our selection there. I'm going to put that underneath. And I'm going to go back to the plain layer. And we're going to be using the select menu and going to color range. So if I click on color range, you'll see that when I first click, I'm choosing what the default color is, and then fuzziness allows me to change how much of that color is still selected. Now the preview right now is set to none. I can also change it to grayscale, black matte, white matte, or even quick mask to see what the end result is going to look like when I use this. So there's the white matte, here's the black matte. You don't really see that much, and the grayscale is showing me what's actually being selected. So I'm basically selecting the white areas that you see here. These gray areas that I'm selecting, that means that it's going to select kind of a a transparency of that. So I'm pretty much trying to get my selection pretty good, and so it's nice to go to the grayscale selection because that basically shows me what my mask will be. So I'll click OK, and now we've got the selection. Now what we want to do is create the mask. So we'll click on the quick mask, and you'll see that it has our mask, but of course, since we selected the background, that's inverted. So let's just invert that with image invert. I think it's up here somewhere. Adjustments, invert, there it is, Control I, and you'll see that we do indeed get the masking that we want. So any color that we have back here, you'll see that we've now made a new design by being able to see that mask, the end result. And of course we could get rid of anything else here. Now if we needed to refine this, we would have to go to Channels, go to that quick mask layer, and then we could use our brush tool to fix anything that we might want to fix, such as those areas right there. So I might go to the brush tool and paint a little white just to fill in those other things. Now this is not a great image, that's why you can see all the artifacts here, these blocky artifacts. And if we really wanted to, we could actually refine this a little bit more with tools such as adjustments. That way we could maybe change our levels and we could change how this is applied. You can see all the JPEG artifacts right now if we make it too much. But anyway, that looks like a pretty good selection. Let's go back to RGB, turn off the layer mask, go back to layers, and you'll see that we have a pretty good selection. So let's save your work, and you're done with this tutorial.